YouTube? It's Josh the Gamer Guy here, and today we're gonna be doing something a little different. We're gonna be doing a cooking with Josh. But before we get into it, I want to tell you guys what I'm gonna be making. So today we're gonna be making a breakfast sandwich, which includes, first we got some bread, second we got some eggs, third we have some turkey bacon, fourth we have some cheese, mozzarella. Let's whip up some eggs. There's one crack. There's two. So I know most of you guys are my age, and I like to do my eggs a little bit different. I like sunny side up eggs, and I know most kids like scrambled eggs, but ain't no wrong with being different. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna season these and get some cheese on them, and I'm gonna put it to the side. Just enough. And we're set. So to prepare my bacon, we're not gonna really need to do anything. We're just gonna need some butter and some bacon. So let's do it. As you guys can see, the butter is melting. I like to move it around the pan so it gets everywhere. But yeah, you guys can see that. Just gonna let that pretty much just keep on melting, and then after a few minutes we're gonna place our bacon and we'll let that cook. So we're just gonna be using 2 pieces of bacon. Ooh. Ah, looks yummy. It's time to make some coffee. Sorry. I know I'm only 11, but I actually like coffee, and I actually suggest caramel vanilla cream coffee. It's really good, and once you add your stuff to it, it's amazing. Looking nice and sizzling. But be careful, guys, because it's gonna be really hot. Also, guys, do not cook or use the stove without your parents' supervision. Actually, my mom is behind the camera right now, so it's okay. First, we're gonna need some creamer and sugar. Buff it. Some whipped cream. And some caramel. I know you can make toast in a toaster, but I like to have mine a little pan fried. So I'm gonna place my butter. I'm gonna need my butter knife. And just cut a piece of butter. Not too big, not too small. And let that go. Because after your bacon is done, you can also use the bacon fat that was left behind from the turkey bacon. But I like to just use a fresh pan with some butter. Now we're just laying this bacon toast up, and we're gonna flip it and let the other side toast. But you always want to check just to make sure your pan is too high to make sure it isn't already toasted. But look at that. That is some good looking toast. While we're at it, take a sip of coffee, see how good it is. Marvelous. That is amazing. Amazing. Amazing, mate. Yeah, I did that little British accent, you know. That toasted pretty fast, so you always need to watch out just in case. But I might add a bit more butter, so this will toast more. There we go. Oh wow, oh wow. Got your spatula. And you just wanna kind of move that around so it gets with the toast. And I probably should flip it. Just so the other side that's already toasted doesn't toast twice. We're just doing what we do. And I'm gonna let this toast, and then I'm gonna start on my eggs. Now it is time for more butter. We're just gonna let that go. Probably not for too long though, because I think since we've been cooking a lot of things in this pan, it's getting pretty hot each time we use something else. But we're gonna pour on our eggs. Perfect. So now we're just gonna wait. We're probably gonna use this spatula again, but make sure you wash off all your tools and wash your hands before you get to cooking. Now it's time for preparation. So 1 piece of toast, your eggs, your 2 pieces of bacon, which you can break apart if they are too big, which I'm going to do because they are too big. And finally, actually, no, not yet. I like to add a bit of hot sauce, just to kick it up. Our last piece of bread. And there is your baked breakfast sandwich. Alright guys, that was my breakfast sandwich. It was super good. You should actually try that out and see how it tastes for yourself. So let me know if you like videos like these, or what would you like me to cook next. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.